Inside the mysterious sphere, scientists discovered a glowing blue crystal. At first, it looked like an ordinary object, but the AI detected something impossible. The crystal was bending time itself. Within days, the world's greatest scientists joined forces to build the first real-time machine powered by AI and the mysterious crystal. As the machine came online, a brilliant blue portal appeared before them. No human had ever seen anything like it. To avoid risking human lives, an AI exploration drone was chosen for the first mission. The drone entered the portal and disappeared into the past. Seconds later, it arrived on Earth. Millions of years ago, towering dinosaurs walked across an untouched world. The AI recorded every incredible moment without changing history. But suddenly, the sky grew darker. A gigantic asteroid was racing toward Earth. The AI realized it was witnessing the event that ended the age of dinosaurs. With only seconds remaining, the drone escaped back through the portal, carrying the greatest historical recording ever made. But when the mission ended, the AI found another destination, not the past, but the distant future. And once again, the time machine powered up.
Moments later, the blue portal opened once again. This time, the destination was the future. The AI exploration drone crossed the timeline and arrived in the year 3000. The world had completely changed. Floating cities filled the sky. Flying vehicles moved silently between enormous towers. Artificial intelligence worked side by side with humanity. There was no pollution, no traffic, only clean energy, powering an advanced civilization. The AI discovered a place called the Future Memory Vault. Inside, millions of glowing crystals stored humanity's future history. Each crystal contained memories of discoveries, inventions, and events that had not yet happened. But then, one crystal began glowing, brighter than all the others. Its label read, "Restricted Timeline." The AI carefully activated it. Suddenly, a completely different future appeared before its eyes. Humanity was no longer limited to Earth. Gigantic starships were carrying millions of people toward distant worlds. Then, without warning, the time machine issued a critical alert. Timeline stability decreasing. Without wasting a single second, the AI activated emergency return mode. The glowing portal began collapsing as the exploration drone raced toward it. Behind the drone, the future city started breaking apart. Buildings, roads, and entire skylines flickered between different timelines. The drone escaped safely back to the laboratory. But something was terribly wrong. The AI detected tiny changes in history itself. A single event had shifted the entire timeline. Scientists quickly searched for the cause. Then, the AI discovered a prehistoric creature had accidentally crossed through the portal during the first mission. Even the smallest change could rewrite the future. A repair drone was immediately launched back through time. Its mission: restore history before the timeline collapsed forever. Minutes later, the repair mission succeeded. The timeline stabilized. The laboratory returned to normal. Humanity had completed the world's first successful time travel mission. But inside the mysterious blue crystal, one final secret was still waiting.